me, Timmy Uppet. And today I have something really cool. I went to Nancy's Candy Company. Yeah, that's right, Nancy's Candy Company. And it's in Meadows of Dan, Virginia. And it's really cool. They have all kinds of candy and chocolate and stuff. And Nancy, they say that sometimes comes in and has chocolate. Hi, Nancy. Hi. Timmy, Nancy Candy Company. Oh, now, you know what? If you go see the company, all the things is red. My favorite color. Everything in the candy company is red. Even the sign is red. Red is so much fun. It's so cool and fun and cool and fun. Nancy's Candy Company. Yeah, Nancy's Candy Company. Candy Company. Nancy's Candy Company. Nancy's Candy Company. Nancy's Candy Company. It is really cool. So come on. I want to show you the tour and see some people making some candy. I think they're making truffles. Truffles is cool. They're so fun and they're hungry. I like really sweet. All right, let's go. Man, this is so cool. I cannot wait to get to Nancy's Candy Company. What do you think, Grandpa? Do you like candy?
Well, I tell you one thing. I love some candy. And I want to meet Nancy because if she can give me some freebies, maybe, I don't know, because I like some candy. Candy corn, candy ketchup, candy french fry, candy everything. I like candy, I'm going to tell you one thing.
Grandpa, you're so funny. Man, okay, well, hey, listen, everybody out there watching this video, if you go to Nancy's Candy Company in the Meadows of Dan, Virginia, make sure you tell them that Timmy Uppet sent you. Because I think they'll do something really sweet for you. Yeah, sweet, because it's sweets there, and it's chocolate, and there's candy corn, and candy crunchy, and all kinds of red stuff, and it's, oh, I just cannot wait. Oh, yo. Oh, my goodness, there it is. I see the sign, Grandpa. Do you see it? There it is. Nancy's Candy Company, outlet store. Man, this is so cool. Man, look at all the red stuff. There's so much red, and balloons and stuff. And look, red picnic tables, red store entrance. Oh, I cannot wait to get some candy corn and Candy Company Nancy's. And look, the picnic tables are red too. Oh, the red balloons, and look at the sign. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to go inside. Oh, wow. Look at all the baskets of candy. And everything is red. And look at all those jelly beans. Oh my gosh, I like jelly beans. And they got cards and snacks and... Oh. Oh, look at this. They're actually making the candy right here. And it looks like they're filling some chocolate things. She's up there. He says, hey, look at this. What do you think of this? And she's like, well, it looks good. There you go. Yeah. And she was like, here, take it back and put some stuff in it. And he's like, okay, well, I'm going to put some stuff in there. And then it shakes it to get the air bubbles out, I guess. And then he does another one and shake the air bubbles out. Man, that's so cool. There you go, have another one.
I tell you one thing, I'm going to have one of them. Two of those pretzels. Yeah, I want a couple pretzels and some cookies and some tortoises with some nuts and stuff in it. Oh, look at them. Oh, I want two of those. I want one of them. And wait a minute, go back. No, I want one of them red pink things. And some fudge. I like some peanut butter fudge. Oh, I put peanut butter. Oh, I did. I want one of them. Give me one. More fudge. I like fudge. We got some fudge, swirl fudge. Yeah, some of them. I want that pink one with the swirls in it. Oh, truffles. That's what they were filling up in the back there. Truffles, them things, they down in it. And, oh, look at this. I think I'm going to have one of them. Oh, look at them goodies. I tell you one thing. Timmy, what do you think about that? Some of them.
Nancy's Candy Company, made in Meadows of Dan, Virginia.